Time's up, unraveling the meaning. Hello, dear learners. Today, we'll delve deep into a commonly used English phrase, time's up. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand its meaning, but you'll also be able to use it appropriately in your daily conversations. Time's up is a contraction of time is up. It comprises two main words. 1. Time refers to the continuous sequence in which events occur. 2. Up. In this context, it denotes the end or conclusion of something. Put them together, and the phrase signifies that a designated period has ended or an allotted time has run out. The beauty of time's up is its versatility. Here are some situations where you might hear or use this phrase. 1. Exams and tests. When the allocated time for an examination finishes, invigilators often announce, "Time's up," signaling students to stop writing. 2. Games. In games with a time limit, when the time concludes, someone might declare, "Time's up." 3. Cooking. Imagine setting a timer for baking cookies. Once the timer goes off, you can exclaim, "Time's up," indicating they should be ready. 4. Parking. If you're parked in a spot with a time limit, and your time is over, someone might say, "Time's up. You need to move your car." Just as languages evolve, so do phrases. There are other ways to convey a similar meaning as time's up. Here are a few. 1. Your time is over. 2. You're out of time. 3. Time has run out. While the core meaning remains consistent, the context might necessitate one phrase over another. But remember, time's up is universally understood and can fit most situations. Thank you for joining us in exploring the phrase, time's up. We hope this video has provided clarity and added another useful phrase to your English vocabulary. Remember, language is not just about words, but understanding the context in which they're used. Until next time, keep learning and exploring.